In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Bilt card to Rocket Money. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily add your Bilt card onto your Rocket Money dashboard or portfolio. So to do this, instead of directly adding the Bilt card itself, what you have to do is add Wells Fargo to Rocket Money. Because Bilt is part of Wells Fargo, by adding a Wells Fargo account instead that has the Bilt rewards system, you will consequently be able to add Bilt to Rocket Money through Wells Fargo. So it's automatically going to detect Bilt. So you won't be able to do this directly. You have to add Wells Fargo and then it will automatically go. So go to the Rocket Money dashboard and click on linked accounts. After you select the dashboard and you go over to the settings. So on the dashboard, go to settings and then linked accounts. Inside of linked accounts, choose the option to add a new institution at the top right corner. Once you choose that institution, you will be able to browse through all of them, including Wells Fargo. So just choose Wells Fargo because, like I said before, Bilt is built into Wells Fargo. So because Bilt is part of Wells Fargo, as soon as you add Wells Fargo, Bilt, including your card, will be automatically added onto Rocket Money. So you will have to use Blade, which means that you will sign in with your username and password for Wells Fargo. And after you sign into your account, you are good to go. Give it some time and the Bilt card and all of your expenses and transactions should appear on the dashboard here. So, like many users reported, you simply add your Wells Fargo account and everything will be automatically transported. You might want to try to directly add your Bilt card, and while it might be possible to get it done, the process will be more complicated, so I highly recommend just doing it through this method instead. And after it is done, automatically everything will be transferred over. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Bilt card to Rocket Money. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.